we have this question to solve for x, given that x cubed plus x squared is equals to h. Okay, using a basic trick to solve this, you know that x cubed and x squared, if you take h, you can simplify h or compress h, so there should be what? h is equals to what? 64 plus 16. Okay, h is equal to 64 plus 16. You ask yourself, why are you using 64 plus 16? Because 64 is what? 4 cubed, and 16 is what? 4 squared. Okay, 4 cubed plus 4 squared. And if you look here also, you're going to see cube and square, meaning something might happen. To simplify it easy, not going to be using a polynomial or any long method to solve this. Let's use this trick. Okay, we know also that a cube minus what? B cube is equals to what? A minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. And that a square minus b square is equals to what? A minus b into what? A plus b. Okay, and you find yourself having a, this and this, hence you can factor this out and have in terms of a square, then use quadratic formula to solve for the remaining one. Okay, let's come back and solve this question. Okay, we have x cubed, that is what we have x cubed now, plus x squared, okay, minus what? 64 plus 16 equals to what? H equals to 0, sorry, equals to 0, that is it. Hence, from here, you can then bring x cubed and, okay, so I have x cubed minus 64 plus x squared minus 16. I just put like this, the bracket is not affecting anything. That is what you are having. Hence, x cubed can be further derived to have what? X minus, another 64 is equals to what? 4 cubed. Therefore, x minus 4, using the formula, into what? X squared plus 4x plus what? 4 squared, that is 16. And on this other side, you are going to have what? Plus x minus 4 and x plus 4. And if you multiply this, you are going to have x squared. Okay. And having this, therefore, x minus 4 will come out to have what? X minus 4 on both sides. You see a bit what you having, you have x minus 4 there. We put now what's inside there is method of factorization. So have x cubed, x squared, sorry, plus 4x plus 16 plus x minus 4 equals to 0. Okay, you see, you're having already this one, hence you can easily derive that x is equals to 4. From here, you can say x is equals to 4 because x minus 4 is equals to 0. Therefore, x is equals to 4. That is from factorization. Hope you know about this. Hence, we're going to solve for this other one, called comma, x squared plus 4x plus, we can say plus 5x, because this and this will add 16 minus 4, that is plus 12, is equals to 0. To solve for x, we're going to use the method of quadratic formula, that is negative b plus minus b squared minus 4ac all over 2a square root of this. Okay, this is the method we're going to be using. Hence, a is this 1, b is 5, c is 12. And we are going to substitute it back here. Substitute it back in the equation. We're going to have what? Negative b, that is negative 5, plus minus what? 5 squared, 25, minus what? 4. What is a? A is 1. 4. Here is bc, sorry. B square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac. Our a is 1, our c is 12. That will be 4 into 12. Square root of this. All over what? 2. A, that is 2. 4 times 12 is equal to what? 48. Yes, I'm going to have 48. And 48 minus 25. Easily, that is what? 3. 23. Okay? 8 times this. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 23. Yeah. Okay, 23. And so you're going to have what? 23 here. Square root of 23. Okay, applying set here, 23 is equal to what? There is nothing that can be done to simplify 23 unless you are using this points or half numbers. Hence, or fraction, sorry, or unless you are using fraction. Hence, we can just end here and say it will be a square root of 23. Hence, our x is equal to what? Negative 5 plus minus square root of 23 all over 2 of negative 23 all over 2. We know that this square root of negative 23 is equal to what? Square root of negative 1 times square root of 23 of equals to I root 23. We know that this complex number, okay, and hence we can drop this as what? I root 23, because putting square root of negative 23 is a bit fishy. Hence our x1 is equal to 4, x2 is equal to negative 5 plus square root of 23 all over 2, x3 is equal to negative 5 minus square root of 23 and all over 2. Hence we come to the end of this video. We can then try to prove it. If you take 4 cubed is equal to 64, 4 square is equal to 16, and we are going to have 18. If you take this one, you are going to punch using your calculator, short, because we want to first of all simplify this, then put it here. Understand? And you're going to find yourself having the answer. Here, if you punch your calculator, you give you undefined things the calculator don't know about complex number. But what you're going to do is you're going to use the principle x cubed, I cubed is equal to I squared times I. You're going to use the principle, meaning at this other point you're going to have something that will cancel out when you are going to simplify. You're going to use really your hand to do this, because with the calculator will not be easy to come out. Hope you like this video. Thank you, and subscribe to the channel or watch the other video here. Bye.